Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Park the car on a level surface, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent shorts. Let the engine cool completely for at least 30 minutes before touching the ignition area. Remove the plastic engine cover and intake duct to access the ignition coils. Use a 10 mm socket to loosen coil mounting bolts. Photograph and label each coil and wiring connector so you reinstall them to their original positions. Labeling avoids cross-cylinder errors and engine misfires during reassembly. Work one cylinder at a time. Unplug the coil electrical connector and remove the 10 mm coil bolt, then pull the coil straight up and out. Before removing the plug, blow compressed air around the plug well to clear dirt and prevent debris from entering the combustion chamber. Use a 5/8-inch, 16 mm, deep spark plug socket with a swivel extension and a ratchet to break the old plug free. Turn counterclockwise slowly and lift the plug out straight to avoid thread damage or dropping metal into the bore. Check each replacement spark plug and set the gap to 0.44 inches using a feeler gauge before installing. Gapped plugs ensure proper ignition. Thread the plug in by hand to avoid cross-threading, then torque with a torque wrench to 13 lb-ft, 18 Nm. Put a small dab of dielectric grease inside each coil boot for a secure seal and electrical protection. Do not use anti-seize unless the manufacturer specifies it. Reinstall coils and mounting bolts. Reconnect the negative battery cable. Start the engine to confirm a smooth idle, and clear any stored codes if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.